They sit in almost every fridge. We eat them without thinking. But for people over 60, eggs might be doing more harm than good. What if the way you're preparing your eggs, something you've done for years without question, is quietly raising your cholesterol, stiffening your joints, or making your memory foggy? Not because eggs are bad, but because of how you're using them. It's hard to believe something so simple could have such a big impact. But after 60, our bodies change. We become more sensitive to the wrong fats, more vulnerable to inflammation, and slower to fight off bacteria. Suddenly, before we start, I have a quick inquiry. Do your hands or legs hurt more? And where are you listening from? Leave a comment. We read all of them. If you haven't already, go ahead and push that button. This channel is all about actual advice based on studies for keeping strong, steady, and pain-free after 60. Okay, let's get started. June or Afi, that go-to breakfast, could be doing more harm than good, and you wouldn't even know it. The truth is, eggs can still be one of the most powerful foods for your health, full of protein, brain-boosting choline, and nutrients that protect your eyes and muscles. But only if you avoid a few easy-to-miss mistakes that could be turning them from a superfood into a silent saboteur. And yes, even where you store them in the fridge can subtly weaken your immune system. The good news? These mistakes are simple to fix. In this video, we're uncovering 7 egg habits that might be undermining your health after 60, and the quick changes that can help you feel clearer, lighter, and more energized with every bite. We'll look at the oils that silently spike inflammation, the breakfast combos that cancel out the benefits of eggs, and the cooking styles that destroy nutrients, and how to make every bite count without changing your whole routine. Your health deserves better. Let's turn eggs back into the superfood they were meant to be, not your silent saboteur. Cooking eggs in the wrong oil. It starts with the pan. Every morning, millions of people over 60 reach for the same familiar oils: vegetable oil, canola, corn oil, maybe even margarine. They seem harmless. After all, that's what we were told for years, right? But here's the hidden danger. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, and when they dominate your cooking, they quietly create a perfect storm of inflammation inside your body. And most people are already getting 10 to 20 times more omega-6 than their body needs, just from cooking oil alone. Now, inflammation might not sound serious, but for seniors, it's the root of so many issues: joint pain, heart strain, brain fog, and low energy. It's like a slow-burning fire that damages your health from the inside out. So when you fry nourishing eggs in them, you're unknowingly turning breakfast into an inflammation bomb. And at this stage of life, our bodies don't bounce back the way they used to. So even small daily habits can quietly add up. The fix? Start using oils that actually fight inflammation, like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or ghee. These are rich and healthy fats that support your heart, brain, and joints, and they hold up better under heat, keeping your eggs more nutritious. It might feel like a small switch, but it can ripple through every part of your day, from how your joints feel to how clear your mind is. You don't need to give up your morning eggs. Just change what goes into the pan, and your body will thank you with steadier energy, smoother digestion, and less stiffness by mid-morning. Pairing eggs with processed meats. Eggs and bacon, eggs and sausage, eggs and ham. For many of us, it's the classic breakfast we grew up with: warm, familiar, and comforting. But after 60, these comfort foods can quietly come with a cost most people never see coming. Here's the problem. Processed meats like bacon, sausage, and deli ham are packed with sodium, nitrates, nitrites, and preservatives that quietly strain your heart, raise inflammation, and wear down your system. These compounds push your blood pressure up, disrupt cholesterol, and have even been linked to colon cancer. The World Health Organization now classifies processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, the same category as tobacco. And when you pair them with eggs, a food meant to support memory, muscle, and energy, you're creating a tug of war in your body. The bad starts to outweigh the good. Your body wants to heal and stay sharp, but it's being pulled in the wrong direction. For people over 60, that tug of war can tip fast. Many are already managing blood pressure, heart health, or digestive sensitivity, and these meats only make those challenges harder. Even if the rest of your plate seems healthy, this one pairing can quietly undo the benefits. The fix? Keep the eggs, ditch the processed meats. Instead, pair your breakfast with foods that support your body, not stress it. Try sliced avocado, sautéed spinach, cherry tomatoes, or a handful of arugula. These aren't just healthy, they actively fight inflammation, feed your cells, and make your eggs work even harder for you. Now, your breakfast supports your body instead of silently stressing it out. And that simple switch, it could mean clearer arteries, a sharper mind, and a calmer gut, all before 9 a.m. Eating eggs the same way every day. We're creatures of habit, and breakfast is no exception. For many people over 60, eggs become a daily ritual. Maybe it's scrambled eggs on toast, or the same hard-boiled egg every morning. It's quick, familiar, and it feels healthy. But here's the twist. Eating eggs the exact same way, every single day, could be setting you up for nutrient imbalances you don't even realize. Over time, that daily routine can quietly lead to things like constipation, low energy, creeping cholesterol, and even vitamin deficiencies. Why? Because while eggs are nutritious, they're not a complete meal. They're low in fiber, and depending on how you prepare them, they may also lack the variety of vitamins and minerals your body needs, especially as you age. When you pair eggs with white toast, skip the veggies, or leave out fiber-rich foods, your gut slows down, your cholesterol can rise, and your body misses the chance to absorb critical nutrients like folate, B12, and antioxidants. Think of your breakfast like a team. Eggs can be the MVP, but without the rest of the lineup, fruits, greens, seeds, or healthy fats, you're leaving your body undersupported. The fix? Keep the eggs, but mix it up. One day, try a veggie omelet with spinach and mushrooms. Another day, go for a soft-boiled egg with a side of berries and a sprinkle of flax. Add avocado slices or stir chopped greens into your scramble. Even small tweaks like this give your body more fiber, antioxidants, and gut support without sacrificing simplicity or flavor. And here's the best part. Variety doesn't just help your body, it helps your mind. Studies show that regularly changing up your meals can improve digestion, nutrient absorption, and even mood stability. So don't ditch your eggs, just rotate them. Your body will thank you with more energy, smoother digestion, and a breakfast that truly works with you, not just for you. Overcooking eggs. It's something almost no one thinks about, but it could be quietly draining the nutrition out of your breakfast. It's not what's in your eggs, it's how long you're cooking them. Many people over 60 prefer their eggs well done, crispy edges, firm yolks, high heat. It feels familiar, safe, satisfying. But here's the catch. Overcooking eggs, especially at high heat, can damage the very nutrients you're hoping to get. When eggs are cooked too long, the cholesterol in the yolk can oxidize. And oxidized cholesterol is harder for your body to process, which can increase inflammation and strain your arteries. And that's not all. High heat can also destroy fragile nutrients like choline, which supports brain health, and lutein, which protects your vision. For seniors, losing those nutrients means missing out on key defenses for sharp thinking, steady memory, and healthy circulation. So while that crispy egg might taste nostalgic, it might also be stealing benefits your body truly needs. The fix? Turn down the heat and cook your eggs gently. Scramble them on medium-low until they're soft and creamy. Poach or soft boil to keep the yolks runny and the nutrition intact. If you're frying, go low and slow, and pull them off the stove as soon as they're just set. You'll still get the flavor, but now you're getting the full benefit too. And gently cooked eggs are often easier to digest, especially if you deal with sensitive stomachs or sluggish digestion. So next time you're at the stove, think low and slow. That small shift could mean sharper thinking, stronger arteries, and smoother digestion. All from the same egg, just cooked smarter. Storing eggs improperly. You buy your eggs, pop them in the fridge, and never think twice. But how you store your eggs could quietly put your health at risk, especially after 60. Eggshells are porous, which means they can absorb bacteria, odors, and moisture from the air around them. And storing eggs in the fridge door, where most people keep them, exposes them to temperature swings every time the door opens. That constant shift can let harmful bacteria like salmonella start to grow, even in eggs that look perfectly normal on the outside. For younger people, that might just mean a stomach ache. But for seniors, foodborne illness can be far more serious. A weakened immune system, slower digestion, or an existing condition can turn a simple bug into nausea, dehydration, or even hospitalization. And sometimes the mistake isn't in the fridge. It's on the counter. Leaving eggs out for more than an hour, especially in warmer months, gives bacteria the perfect window to multiply. The fix? Always store eggs in their original carton inside the main compartment of the fridge, never the door. The back of the fridge is colder and more stable, which helps protect your eggs from contamination. And if you accidentally leave them out too long, when in doubt, toss them. It's not worth the risk. It might seem small, but it protects one of your body's most vulnerable systems, your gut. And that means better digestion, fewer stomach issues, and stronger defenses when it matters most. Give your eggs a safer home. It's a tiny habit, but it could prevent a very big problem. Eggs are full of protein, healthy fats, and brain-boosting nutrients. But there's one thing they don't have much of at all: fiber. And if you're eating eggs alone, or with just toast or meat, you're missing a key part of what your body needs to feel full, balanced, and energized, especially after 60. Fiber isn't just about digestion. It helps regulate blood sugar, supports a healthy cholesterol balance, feeds your gut bacteria, and keeps things moving through your system, all of which become more important as we age. And without it, you may notice more constipation, sluggishness, or energy crashes, even after what seemed like a healthy breakfast. The problem isn't the eggs, it's what's missing around them. The fix? Think in pairs. Eggs plus fiber. That means adding simple, natural foods right next to your eggs. Nothing complicated. A few slices of avocado, a handful of berries, a spoonful of chia or flax seeds, some steamed spinach, or even a few almonds on the side. These foods are high in fiber but still easy to chew, easy to prep, and easy on digestion. Even just one of these can transform how your breakfast works in your body, turning it from protein only into a meal that's balanced, blood sugar friendly, and digestion supportive. And here's something most people don't realize. Fiber helps your body absorb certain nutrients from eggs more effectively, including antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes and brain. So instead of skipping sides, think of fiber as your egg's natural partner, the thing that helps unlock its full benefits. It's a small change, but it could mean better digestion, steadier energy, and a stronger gut, starting from your very first bite. You want to make cooking easy, clean, and fast, so you reach for a quick spray of nonstick oil, or use the same old pan you've had for years. But what feels like convenience in the moment could be quietly exposing your body to chemicals it doesn't need, especially after 60. Most aerosol sprays contain propellants and additives that aren't clearly listed on the label. When heated, these ingredients can break down and release compounds that may irritate your lungs, digestion, or even your hormones. And if you're using an older nonstick pan that's scratched or peeling, those flakes can leach toxins like PFOA or PTFE directly into your food. These chemicals don't cause sudden symptoms, but over time, repeated exposure may contribute to inflammation, gut irritation, and toxic buildup, especially in a body that's already working harder with age. The fix? First, ditch the spray cans. Instead, use a small amount of olive oil, avocado oil, or ghee, brushed or poured gently into the pan. You'll get the same nonstick result, plus a dose of heart-healthy fats. Second, take a look at your cookware. If your nonstick pan is scratched or flaking, it's time to let it go. Swap it for ceramic, stainless steel, or updated nonstick surfaces made without harmful chemicals. These small upgrades aren't just about cooking, they're about shielding your body from invisible stress that builds up over time. So, Next time you cook eggs, take a second look at what's under them and what's coating the pan. That one small choice could mean less inflammation, better digestion, and a cleaner, safer kitchen for years to come. So, here's the bottom line. Eggs are still one of nature's most powerful foods, packed with nutrients that support your muscles, brain, and energy. But after 60, your body changes, and the little habits around how you cook, store, and pair your eggs, they matter now more than ever. Whether it's using the wrong oil, skipping fiber, overcooking, or pairing eggs with processed meats, these aren't big mistakes, but over time, they can quietly chip away at your health without you even realizing it. The good news? Every one of these mistakes is easy to fix. You don't need to overhaul your breakfast, just fine-tune it. And once you do, you turn your eggs from something that might be holding you back into a daily habit that helps you feel sharper, stronger, and more balanced with every bite. So here's your challenge. Pick just one tip from today's video and try it tomorrow. Maybe it's switching oils, maybe it's adding berries, maybe it's just turning down the heat on your pan. Small upgrades like these lead to big results over time. And if you found this helpful, there's another common breakfast food that millions of seniors eat every day, but it might be secretly raising inflammation and draining your energy. That's the next video, and it's one you won't want to miss. So make sure you're subscribed